Hello traders! In this video I would like to show you what to expect in our group course for any platform. This group course does not include multi-market scanners. However, it does include Alpha Fibonacci proprietary strategies, Alpha Fibonacci tool, which is yours for life, with 3 months of live classes, video library, and live guided trading. So if you're trading on MT4, if you're trading on Thinkorswim, nothing is a problem. We provide to you the settings for all other problems. You become confident and precise trader in our 12 weeks live mastery course with video library and 7 modules, which you can watch and view 24/7. This will provide you with Alpha Fibonacci rule-based strategy that produce consistent results with exact entries and highly accurate trade targets. We are meeting Monday through Thursday from 9:15 to 11:30 with guided live trading, 7 modules and video library included. Currently we are offering $2,000 discount. This is a limited space and limited time offer. So if you still have other questions and you would like to see what other traders do, for the previous 10 years, Alpha Fibonacci's method had been offered without software. So majority of this post was done before software was ever released. So you can see what traders do all over the world under reviews section. And if you will scroll back up and you would like to listen to students' podcasts, you can also do that as well, as you will always find someone like you who had been struggling for years and finally decided to take charge of your trading. Any questions? Please do not hesitate to contact me, but first let me show you what you get when you log in into member area. When you log in into member area, we are welcoming you with instructions. Monday through Thursday you can log into Alpha Club and Alpha Fibonacci Trading Room. You have opportunity to watch modules and videos. So when you click on modules and videos, this is what modules and videos look like. For example, module 6 with crucial Alpha Fibonacci strategies and trade rules. You will scroll further down and you will see how to trade on Dow, S&P futures and Apple, how to buy support and not at resistance, how to trade over extended rallies, trend counter trend trades on Dow and S&P. Multiple videos available for your convenience. And if you would like to trade other instruments such as Apple and Q, bonds, oil, Dow, Amazon, 5-minute to any long-term charts on Facebook and gold, all of these videos will give you instructions how exactly to do that. In addition to live classes. And after graduation, if you would like to continue, it's not a problem. You have access to all videos, all classes at very minor fee. It's only optional. You never ever have to do this. It's never ever a requirement. Alpha Fibonacci strategies are yours for life. Any questions, always the best to pick up the phone and call me. I always look forward to hearing from you. 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. Thank you traders so much. You are serious about trading. I look forward working with you, as students have done in 57 countries and on Wall Street. If they can do it, so can you.